All right, y'all. We're still here. Okay, I'm finally getting my helmet on. Still fuffing around. And yeah, guys, because we're gonna be going into that wind, we are gonna be taking it easy today. We're not gonna really push. We only got 50 miles to go, but I kind of. Yep. A little wardrobe malfunction there. For some reason, this front light keeps coming off. Anyways, guys, yeah, the conditions have turned on us a little bit, but what I wanted to do today is kind of visit this place called the Illinois Brick Road, which is like 1.5 miles of road. It's very historic. It's actually a registered historic marker or place. So basically, guys, I want to do that. So that will increase our mileage and also going into the wind. So hopefully it won't be too bad. Here. Something's going on here, guys. Maybe because the helmet is so cold. Alright, guys, see, the more layers, the tighter everything gets. Alright. Okay. Much of the face is covered as possible, guys. Because of that strap being so tight. It is pulling her face cover down. So yeah, let's not have that. So hopefully, guys, the sun will save us today. So we're going to be passing a place called Divergnon. We're going to have to then divert into the Route 4 and then into Illinois Brick Road, then into Chatham. Yeah. So yeah, it's showing me, guys, 4 hours, 17 minutes, 53 miles right now. Like I said, we're gonna increase that by a few miles here and there. So hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. Let's start out. then sadly, guys, I only brought one set of gloves. We do have a good 2 layers on the socks. We got a 2 sock layer, and then we got the shoes, so that's, I count that as a 3rd layer, right? All right. Okay, so yeah, off we go. Long John Silver's, wow. I haven't seen one in a while. I almost went there last night. But guys, yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't show you much yesterday, but I was just dead beat. And so what happened was I passed out and woke up too late to get any food.